Marian's a traditional liberal arts institution that's experienced tremendous growth over the last 10 years under the leadership of our president, Dan Elsner. From an infrastructure perspective, it's a pretty interesting story for IT people, just to catch up with the massive growth. Our enrollment has doubled. We have a medical school now on the way. And so as we're going to look at products to establish the base of our infrastructure, Cisco and Netech were the folks we looked to, not only to accommodate the growth we'd already experienced and play catch up, if you will, but to position ourselves so that we could plug in our new College of Osteopathic Medicine.
The challenges that we had right off the bat were we had problems with our help desk being able to push applications out and also being able to remote desktop to the end users. And we had a lot of speed issues. One of the big things about the VBLOCK that we really liked was the fact that it was a turnkey system. So we would go ahead and we went through the whole configuration process with the VCE team, and then they built it at their factory, brought it up, made sure that everything was working properly, and then shipped it to us. Once we got it on site, we had it installed in our data center within a day, and within 2 days we were actually up and running with the whole system.
By implementing these solutions, my change management are really seamless. I can get the alert message on a fly, and if I need it, I can do in advance provisioning. And most of the job is now become automated, so just a couple of people can handle huge demands of services.
We've actually become a provider of cloud services to other institutions that are not able to do that for themselves. So it's kind of been that and more for us. And so we're looking to expand that where possible. And we can either share their cost or offset some cost or provide some service that maybe another non-for-profit might not be able to attain just because of pricing and, of course, not having a facility that we have in our Simmons Purdy data center. The master specialization with the Cisco products was very important to us. When we looked at vendors to help build this foundation for infrastructure and communications at Marian, we needed somebody who we knew could deliver, and of course we know Cisco can deliver. They've proven that, and they've got the support. But it also takes a skilled implementer managing projects, delivering for us on the ground, in the building, putting things in place. And we feel that Netech is that third party that can do that for us.
The main reason that being specialized on both the VBLOCK and also on all the Cisco technology was just to help us in our design and implementation. We actually went through the whole design process probably within about 2 months, and we implemented our complete network within 2 weeks, and they were a great help in getting that done.
They operate in a first-class manner, whether it's their knowledge about the product, knowledge about design, helping us plan for the future, and delivering the product, and delivering it in a way that we can afford it as well. I feel like they value their relationship with Marian as we value our relationship with them as well. I think we're fortunate, the relationship we have with Netech and with Cisco. Both have I think, understood the mission and what we have out to accomplish under all the circumstances that we all have to try to get through projects and things, and so we appreciate it.